Session 42. Area of parallelograms and trapeziums. These sloping quadrilaterals still use a perpendicular base-to-base height. A parallelogram rearranges into a rectangle, while a trapezium uses the average of its parallel sides times the height. By the end, you'll calculate both areas, select the correct height, solve reverse problems, and explain each formula. A parallelogram has the same area as a rectangle with equal base and perpendicular height. A trapezium's area is 1/2 times the sum of its parallel sides times the perpendicular height. These formulas are useful for sloping shapes in design and measurement. Builders estimate material for sloped panels and roof sections. Land surveyors approximate plots bounded by parallel edges. Engineers split complex cross-sections into parallelograms and trapeziums. The sloping side is usually not the height. Height is the shortest perpendicular distance between parallel sides. For a trapezium, add the two parallel sides before multiplying by 1/2 in the height. Both answers represent surface, so finish with square units. Find the area of a parallelogram with base 9 centimeters and perpendicular height 4 centimeters. Use base times height 9 times 4. The area is 36 square centimeters. Find the area of a trapezium with parallel sides 8 and 12 meters and height 5 meters. Add the parallel sides to get 20, half to 10, then multiply by 5. The area is 50 square meters. A parallelogram has area 72 square centimeters and base 12 centimeters. Reverse base times height. Height equals 72 divided by 12. The perpendicular height is 6 centimeters. Complete example. A trapezium has area 63 centimeters and parallel sides 7 and 11 centimeters. Find its height. Substitute. 1/2 times 7 plus 11 times h equals 63. Half of 18 is 9, so 9h equals 63 and h equals 7 centimeters. Check. 1/2 times 18 times 7 equals 63 square centimeters. Don't multiply by a sloping side when the formula needs perpendicular height. Don't forget to add both parallel sides of a trapezium before halving. And don't use linear units for an area answer. Use square units. Practice question 1. A parallelogram has base 11 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. Option A is 17. Option B is 33. Option C is 66. Option D is 132. Pause. Multiply base by perpendicular height. Option C is correct. 66 square centimeters. 11 times 6 equals 66. Practice question 2. A trapezium has parallel sides 5 and 9 meters and height 4 meters. Option A is 28. Option B is 56. Option C is 36. Option D is 18. Pause, add the parallel sides, halve, then multiply by height. Option A is correct, 28 square meters. 1/2 times 14 times 4 equals 28. Practice question 3. A trapezium has area 54 square centimeters and parallel sides 6 and 12 centimeters. Find its height. Option A is 3. Option B is 4. Option C is 9. Option D is 6. Pause. Solve 1/2 times 18 times h equals 54. Option D is correct. 6 centimeters. 9h equals 54, so h equals 6. Let's wrap up. Parallelogram area is base times perpendicular height. Trapezium area is 1/2 times the sum of parallel sides times height. Mark parallel sides, choose the perpendicular height, reverse formulas carefully, and use square units. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.